How's it going, Welcome back to the Great Green North. And for those of you who are new here, welcome to the Great Green North. My name is Wade Murray. I'm a lawn care enthusiast and I work in the industry. And today we are going to be giving you the 2025 channel update because the 2025 lawn care season is here and we are ready to get going with videos right after this. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The goal of this channel is to help teach Canadian homeowners as well as homeowners all over the world about how to take care of your lawn, and lawn care enthusiasts as well, how to take care of your lawn, the best lawn products to use that are available right here in Canada, as well as more reviews and any other questions you might have. We're here to answer. We're your one-stop Canadian source for lawn care questions and answers. Let's show you guys what we have in store for 2025. Number one, Great Green North is celebrating its 5th anniversary in 2025. Great Green North was established in 2020. We are a COVID channel and we are here in 2025 celebrating our 5th anniversary and keep continuing to go strong. I want to thank everybody who's subscribed, watched, and commented on the videos, supported the channel through our promo codes, everything like that. You guys have made Great Green North possible throughout all these years, and we hope to continue for the next 5 years going forward. Next, we're going to be talking about the upload schedule. For those of you who know, I do work a day job. This is my side gig. It is something that I really love doing. I really love taking care of lawns. After I left working in the industry and went to go doing something unrelated to lawns, lawns was still my passion and still something I really cared about. So now I really do care about lawns and I am here to help educate you as well as getting my own fix for lawn care at the same time. So that being said, the upload schedule over the last 5 years has been a little wonky. We never really had a definitive date. This year we are committing to something, new videos every Sunday throughout the entire lawn care season. So from now all the way to October, we are going to be uploading once a week every Sunday. As well as this, you will have one short a week as well. So you might have more than one, but at least one short a week as well. And for those of you who are new here, we do have the Great Green North podcast as well that is available on iTunes and Spotify. We are going to be continuing that with at least episodes every 2 months. That's something that it doesn't get as many views as the lawn care videos do. It's more of a long form thing for those of you who are kind of really in depth to hearing about what's going on in my lawn or what's going on with certain tips. Every once in a while we interview someone. We had Ryan DeMay on. We also had a good friend of Grow Forges on a couple of years ago as well. We were trying to get Backwoods Lawn Care on last year, but we just weren't able to work out the scheduling and stuff. But yes, definitely some great guests continuing to come on the podcast coming up this year. So that's still going to be going on as well. So you might see a couple podcast episodes sprinkled in there as well. But new videos every Sunday, as well as at least one short every week coming new here on the channel. Great lawn tips timed with the season so you guys can get the products ready for when you need to do it in your own lawn. Next, we're going to talk about Q&As. We're going to be doing quarterly Q&As here on Great Green North Lawn Care. Question and answer, where we make a video, we sit down and we answer your questions that you have about lawn care. So for those of you who have questions, I've already had some submitted through my emails. I'm saving them all up for a video Q&A here coming up very, very soon. So if you have questions about your lawn, how am I going to tackle my lawn this year and all that kind of stuff, please submit the questions in the comments down below. greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com. That's my email. You can send them there as well, or you can submit them to my website, greatgreennorthlawncare.lc.ca. That is the website that you can submit questions to be featured in a video, get a full video answer for free right here on the Great Green North. Finally, big plans coming up for 2025. We have our project lawns over here. We're going to be continuing to work on that. We have some stuff in the works with those as well. We might be featuring some new products on some of those plots as well this year. That's my test plots on the side. The back lawn, we're going to be continuing to feature Grow Forge liquid fertilizer products on this channel, as well as there might be some new stuff coming out in the 2025 season as well. So definitely get subscribed if you want those promo codes for those products. We're going to be continuing to use those products, feature them, show you how to use them, as well as giving you a promo code so you can get a little bit of money off at checkout, as well as supporting Great Green North at the same time. And then finally, upcoming this year, we got some good product reviews coming up. We got some product reviews on some lawn tools I've recently purchased for the channel just to kind of use, see how I like them, and then we're going to be making some video reviews coming up very soon, as well as the much anticipated Toro Time Master review that is also going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks. Now, another thing I'm launching coming up next week is my official fertilizer plan. This is the plan that I use to fertilize my lawn every year to get my lawn as green and healthy as possible. This video is going to be coming out next week. It's going to be coming out in 2 parts, so definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and like this video if you're excited for that fertilizer plan coming out next week if you want your lawn to look just like this. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for 5 years of support here on the Great Green North. Couldn't do it without you. And we're very excited to be heading into our 5th year here. Lots of great content coming up in 2025. Could not be more excited for the lawn season coming up. It is currently snowing outside, so we're ready for the season to get coming up and us to get going and making more videos outside of the shed than inside of the shed. So from the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and keep it green.